Just one quick flight away awaits a holiday paradise for even the most seasoned of sun-seekers. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white sanded paradise where you can laze around and recharge your batteries. But there's more to do than just sunbathing. Become one with the waves as you surf some of the nicest pipes around. Or reach out and touch the sky with a bout of parasailing. Make sure you don't miss the nearby attractions. These options and activities make this a great choice for families or friends. You know you could do with a good holiday, so go on and treat yourself to one.